folks, here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward big clear sky. Important to know creation some text as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. Video I will show all the button pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube play. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background reading called WebMoney, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. On my second channel Nation footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.